Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get your cPanel username and password if you forgot it. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. Yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net, if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started with managing your account. So if you don't already have an account, you can register for a new one. But guys, what we're going to go and be using is the login option. You want to go ahead and open login to go ahead and remember your username and password. What we're going to go and be using is this section right here, where under the login screen you can take a look at the forgot your password button. By clicking forgot your password is going to enable you to go ahead and enter in the email address that you use with your account. And after that guys, once you submit your email address, you'll be able to get your password to your email address. They're going to email you your password, so you'll be able to normally log into your account and get your password back, and you can then reset it and put it whatever you want. But basically that's how you can do it and how you can get started contacting them for support and getting your password back. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.